introduced to other people, she would even jump up on them like a dog, hiss at them, or try and play dog games like fetch. Unfortunately, as crazy as this little girl's story seems, authorities in Russia say this is all too common as rates of divorce and unemployment remain high. Bello. People can be incredibly mean and cruel. This was seen firsthand when a boy named Bello was abandoned by his parents in the Falgore forest in Nigeria. Just months old when he was left in the forest, the disabled boy's fate seemed doomed. Then nature stepped in when a family of chimpanzees found Bello and adopted him. It is estimated that for over a year and a half, the chimps nursed and cared for their adopted human as if he was their own. When hunters happened by, we can only imagine what they first thought when they saw a human child living with chimpanzees. Authorities say that when Bello was first brought in from the forest, he walked like his primate family, even dragging his hands on the ground. When he clapped, he cupped his hands over his head, and he even leapt around just like his wild foster family. Several years after moving back in with humans, Bello still continued to act more chimp than human by leaping around the room at night and throwing things. Unfortunately, we'll never know if he could ever be re-domesticated, as he passed away in 2005.
Dang.
The Wolf Boys. You may have heard of researchers living out in the wild to study wolves, but what about actual kids being raised by this wild beast? It happens, and there are more than a few examples of wolves raised